Time for another Costco Keto haul. This time, we're going to look at all the different keto marketed products at Costco. Are they all good? Let's find out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low carb food. Please like and subscribe and I'll bring you new videos every week. It's been some time since I've been to a Costco and I found out that they have many keto marketed foods. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of these foods and see if they are clean keto or are they actually keto traps. So the first item on the list is the Franz Keto White Bread. Now I've used these keto breads quite a bit in my sandwich recipes as they are easy and convenient. However, let's look at the ingredients. With 12 grams of total carbs and 12 grams of fiber, a net carb count of 0, it seems pretty good at first. However, it is made up of many wheat products, such as modified wheat starch and wheat gluten. Also, there is use of a soybean oil, so if you have issues with any of these, it may be better to make your own bread. However, in a pinch, these are a great keto bread substitute. One thumb up. Next, we have the PB Fit powdered peanut butter. While this is not explicitly marked keto, it is an organic health food substitute for regular peanut butter. I mean, there is organic palm sugar used here, which gives 2 grams of net carbs per serving, but I find this very easy to use in many different recipes. And I'll put some of those in the links below. So one thumb up. Next we have the no sugar keto cups. These are a great treat, and I have a review video, which I'll put the link down below. These are pretty clean, sweetened with erythritol and some stevia extract at 1 net gram of carbs per serving. 2 thumbs up. And here we have its cousin, the no sugar keto bar. This is essentially the bigger version of the cup at 3 grams of net carbs per serving. Because of the larger size and the greater amount of carbs, I'm going to give this 1 thumb up. Here we have the Choc XO Chocolate Keto Snaps. Now it's a good mix of organic coconut, almond, and chocolate, but it does contain cane sugar for 3 grams of net carbs per serving. I think it would be easier and even cheaper to make your own mix of chocolate, almonds, and coconut, and then you can add your own sweetener such as erythritol or stevia. So I'm going to pass on this one. Now we're going to look at the Inno Foods Coconut Keto Clusters. I've talked about these in the past, and some of you have let me know that the cane sugar in here is quite high. At 5 grams of net carbs per serving, it is pretty high on the carb content. I have tried these in the past, and it's given me that sugar buzz. So this is what I would call a keto trap. All right, next to this are these Parm crisps made of Parmesan cheese. I'll do a review video of these Parm crisps compared to the classic wisps. But overall, these are just aged Parmesan cheese with some seeds at 1 gram of net carb per serving. 2 thumbs up. Now this I haven't seen before. These are Keto Nut Granola. At 3 grams of net carbs per serving, once you subtract the fiber and the erythritol and monk fruit sweeteners, it's just a mixture of different seeds and nuts. I probably just make my own nut and seed mix, but in a pinch, these are fine. 1 thumb up. Here's another prepackaged trail mix type snack marked Keto Trail Mix by Hoodies. Now there are a lot of ingredients in here, but what I'm noticing is some are organic, some are not, and they're using cane sugar, brown sugar, as well as corn syrup for 6 grams of net carbs per serving. That's quite high. I'd call this a keto trap. Now, I was also excited to see that Costco now sells monk fruit sweetener, and this is a combination of monk fruit and erythritol. And it's of the golden variety, which makes a good substitute for brown sugar. Perfect for your baking needs. Here's another keto marketed product I haven't seen before. It's a salad topper made with a variety of cheeses, nuts, and seeds to give a crunch to your salad. At 3 grams of net carbs per serving, it also does include rice flour, tapioca flour, and potato starch. So I'd say no to this one. Instead, if you're adding savoriness and crunch to your salad, I've got the recommendation for you. This is the Kirkland brand Bacon Crumbles. Not marketed as keto, but they are great on salad and super keto friendly. At 0 carbs, and hey, it's bacon. What's not to love? I'll also link recipes down below where I use this extensively. 2 thumbs up. Now on to drinks. This is also something I saw for the first time. It is marked keto. It's Milkadamia. It's basically macadamia nut milk. And it comes in these 6-quart boxes. This is a great alternative to almond milk. And I'll do a review video on this one later on. I like that it's low in calories, only 40 calories per cup, very little carbohydrates, less than 1 gram, and it's fortified with calcium and vitamin D. 2 thumbs up. Now my Costco also had 2 versions of the Kirkland brand Almond Milk. The first one is an organic almond milk that's unsweetened but flavored with vanilla. While at 1 gram of net carbs per serving and 30 calories, it does not have the fortification of calcium, at least not to the extent of the macadamia milk. The other Kirkland brand milk here is a regular almond milk, unsweetened, unflavored, also at 30 calories per cup, with 1 gram of carb per serving. Now this one is fortified with calcium at 600 milligrams or 45% of your daily value. Speaking of calcium, I also found these ratio keto-friendly yogurts that come in an 8-pack of equal strawberry flavored and vanilla flavored yogurt. At 2 grams of net carbs per cup, it seems we found a good source of a low-carb yogurt. However, it is 200 calories per cup, which is somewhat high, and the artificial sweetener used is sucralose. If you've tried these, let me know what you think. I'll do a review video later on, but for now, I'll give it a 1 thumbs up. And lastly, we have the Keto Sea Salt Caramel Ice Cream Bars. I've reviewed these in the past, and you already know this is one of my favorite desserts from Costco. At 2 grams of net carbs per bar, and sweetened with some erythritol in the chocolate, as well as monk fruit extract and stevia, this is a great snack. A definite 2 thumbs up. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.